So ngayon nakarating na kami sa hospital and ngayon magpapa-check up na kami. And two people are doing chaplay. What are you guys doing? The head is already there. Look, oh, you can see the head and the body. End of the season sale. Look, oh, there's sale. This is juice? Orange juice?
I order mango shake. I don't find it too much tasty.
Zudio. Next.
To buy more clothes.
Nandito na kami ngayon sa hospital guys or sa clinic kung saan ako nagpapa-check up. So maaga kaming umalis sa bahay and hindi na ako masyado nakapag-video kasi nagmamadali na kami. So ngayon nakarating na kami sa hospital and ngayon magpapa-check up na kami. And tatanungin na natin yung doktor kung pwede ba ako magbiyahe kahit na hindi pa tapos yung first trimester ko guys. Pero matatapos naman na mga 10 days before ng biyahe namin. So tapos na yung first trimester natin. So kitain natin yung doctor and balitaan po kayo kung ano yung sasabihin niya and kung ano ba yung bilin niya sa akin. So magpa-sonography muna tayo. And then, I'll update you later. So, nandito na kami ngayon sa sonography clinic. And we are currently waiting. And these two people are doing chaplay. What are you guys doing? Ayan.
We are looking for the spelling mistake. People who do stories and laughing.
Good thing there's not too much people around here right now. Actually, it's just three person who will be doing sonography. And they're usually putting the file over there. So, pangatlo kami. And what time this clinic is opening, Milan? 10 o'clock. So, we are 30 minutes early. Good thing we are early. Mas maganda talaga na maaga kang pupunta dito sa mga clinic, guys. Because once you arrive very early, then that's the time that you'll be finished early also. Kasi ang unang pinapagawa talaga, especially sa mga buntis, is yung magpa-sonography. And then after the sonography, they will be doing your weight and then blood pressure. And then after that, you'll be meeting the doctors and you can ask whatever you want to ask sa mga doctors doon sa loob. So this is the first step and kami yung pangatlo. So maaga kaming matatapos ngayon. And we have a lot of things to do today, no, Jana?
Yes,
We'll be doing a lot of shopping and stuff like that for going to the Philippines. So hopefully we'll be finished early. So I'll update you later. So we are done sa natin guys, sa check-up natin. And napakaganda daw ng baby, very healthy and very normal. So pinayagan din tayo na mag-travel papunta ng Pilipinas and binigyan na rin tayo ng certificate na clear nga tayo sa pag-travel and walang problema. So pupunta na tayo ngayon sa I know, but there's no space, right? So pupunta na tayo ngayon para kumain and bibili ng mga stuff natin sa pag-uwi ng Pilipinas, kagaya na lamang ng mga masala na gagamitin and magsha-shopping tayo ng kaunting mga damit. So inaalis na ni Doc Milan yung sasakyan and sobrang mahal ng binili namin kasi this time merong protein powder, merong parang nilalagay din sa tiyan for stretch marks and 2 months of medicine. So it's around 7,000. Pero kung sa Pilipinas, mas mahal daw. Chinek ni Milan yung mga gamot. And it's times 2 daw ng gagastusin if ever. So tara, let's go and kain na tayo ng lunch. How was the baby?
This small.
Very small.
This big.
Janopoy! Hi, Janopoy! So we are going for now.
So we have certificate that you can travel already.
Yes,
so
everything is good to go. Yes. We are going for now. We are going for lunch. And Jano, did you see the baby? There's a picture of the baby inside.
Yes,
let's show them. Show them the baby. The head is already there. Look, oh, you can see the head and the body. And I saw the heartbeat also, guys. I'll show you to you properly later once na magkaroon tayo ng Zoom. nakapag-park na kami. And nandito kami ngayon sa Inorbit Mall. And dito kami kakain ng lunch. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Inorbit. Ayan, napakalaki ng mall na ito. And this is where we usually go and shopping, eat dinner, eat lunch. And also do, mall, what do you call that one? Cinema. It's end of the season sale. Look, oh. There's sale. Mark and Spencer. Did you see the baby?
Yes.
How was it?
Very, very small
Very, very small.
and very cute.
Very cute. There's no face yet.
But
Just the head.
But I find it cute. What's your problem?
You're the father, obviously.
Ah.
You're gonna be, very... Who kaya?
Excited?
They remove already the Christmas tree because Christmas is finished.
Jojo to ano?
Dito yung mga shopping, shopping clothes. Tapos sa pinakataas yung, yung kainan. Go to the washroom, guys, and napakaganda nung nila dito, oh. Yung area nila. Kitang-kita mo yung sarili mo. What did you order, Milan? This is juice? Orange juice?
I order mango shake for you.
What is this one?
Mango shake.
This is mango shake. Let me taste. Let's
Probably
go.
there is less mango.
This is mango shake.
But okay,
Very
okay.
tasty.
I don't find it too much tasty.
It's good, different variety. Order kami ng pizza, guys. And ubos na. I forgot to take video. Go and eat, guys. Kain tayo. Tapos na kaming kumain, guys. Now, magsha-shopping na kami. Bibili kami ng damit ni Jano and damit ko para sa Pilipinas. And we'll be buying some luggage also kasi aalis na nga din si Jano. And kakailanganin din namin ng isa pang bagahe para sa pag-uwi namin sa Pilipinas. So, nandito na tayo sa iba't ibang mga shopping center, guys. So, kung napapansin nyo, linya sila. Ang dami. Mamili na tayo, guys. Balitaan ko kayo maya-maya. Meron silang mga traditional. Ayan. And then, meron silang mga gens. Meron mga pang desi Indians. So, tara. Nakabili na kami ng mga damit. We are just looking for a place where we'll be buying the luggage. So, let's see kung saan tayo makakahanap ng mga luggage ni Jano. And then, we'll be going to Zudio. Right, Jano will go to Zudio? Because that's a very big store here. Pero different area siya. So, aalis muna kami dito sa mall na to. And then, we'll be buying clothes there. We already bought this, guys. Oh, bumili na kami ng mga bags. And bumili din kami ng backpack at saka ng mga gamit. We're already packed. This color you bought.
बैक
They
पैक भी
also
अंदर
gave
मुके दो
us neck pillow. Ha, mungkin daw. They also
बैक
put the
पैक नेक पिलो
backpack.
बंद अंदर मुके दो
Ha, kinuha ko.
नेम
This one. Very good
चलो
color.
चेक करेली तो नसी नाना नी केविन बैग नी
Ay, ito આપણે ખોલ દઉં.
Jano, do you like it?
यस
We'll also show you the bag that we bought and the neck pillow they gave us. This is the bag and the neck pillow. Put it inside also.
पिला मगे कुटे
So, papalabas na kami. Ngayon, pauwi na kami. No, I think mamimili pala kami ng mga damit. Magsha-shopping kami sa Zudio. Dun sa pinakamalaking Zudio store dito. So, napili na namin ito. Ano, where's the small one inside?
inside
Okay. So, 2 same size and 1 small cabin size bag. Iniwanan ko lang yung dalawa. Nilagay nila yung mga luggage doon sa sasakyan namin since kung bubuhat-buhatin namin, sobrang hectic and sobrang mabigat. So, nilagay lang nila yung mga pinag-shopping namin na mga damit. And then, nag-order lang ako dito ng kape namin para inumin kasi sobrang init ngayon, guys. And medyo hindi pa kasi ako nakainom ng gamot ko. So, naiwanan yung mga gamot ko dun sa sasakyan. So, bumili lang ako ng iinumin namin dito. So, nandito kami sa isang coffee shop. And then, naalis na kami. Mag-shopping ulit kami dun sa pinakamalaking shop dito, which is Zudio daw. Dun daw namimili madalas si Jano ng mga damit niya. And ako, yung mga pinamimili ko lang usually, guys, yung mga dresses for maternity dress. Kasi nga, buntis ako. And yung mga damit ko, very fit talaga sila. And I usually wear pants. So, ngayon, I bought 3 dresses as of the moment. And kapag magpupunta kami dun sa Zudio, bibili pa ako ng marami. If meron akong makita doon. And then, I will be buying some pasalubong also for my family in the Philippines. So, ayun. I'll just update you later kung ano yung mga ganap. But for now, iinom muna kami ng kape dito and magre-relax. It seems like these guys are in a hurry. So, tinake out na lang namin yung order namin. And iinumin na lang daw namin sa daan. And then we'll be going to Zudio.
Yes,
Next.
to buy more clothes.
To buy more clothes for Jano and mine. Right? So, alam guys, we'll see you later. After namin bumili ng guys, kape, nandito naman kami sa Zudio. So, bibili na kami ng mga damit namin, mga dresses, and pasalubong sa Pilipinas. So, tapos na kami mag-shopping ng mga damit, guys. So, nandito naman kami sa D-Mart para bumili ng mga kakailanganin namin sa Pilipinas and mga tsokolate. Milan, what are we gonna buy here?
All the stuff, masalas and everything for our food in Philippines.
Salo, let's go. We are not allowed to shoot inside, guys, but we'll be showing you later what we'll be buying, right?
That's true.
Okay, let's go. Chalo, chalo. Nabi na kami guys sa pag-shopping. So nakabili na kami ng mga pagkain sa D-Mart and now we'll be going to this Hotel Krishna. And kakain tayo ng famous khichdi and curry yata. So ayan na yung mga kasama ko and they're preparing. So hanap na tayo ng mauupuan. Let's go and sit here. Milan?
I need khichdi only.
Khichdi. Let's see what do they
It's
have
very
in here.
famous here.
I don't even understand. There's no English.
There is.
Ario, there is. They have ice cream and sandwich.
Dia khichdi dia khichdi kari.
So much. What do you want? Aling, Koshi? Saru suga much yun eh?
Dia khichdi kari.
Ito yung order natin guys. Khichdi and salad na may kasamang curry. This is curry, right? And this is the khichdi.
टिश्यू आप इसे ना
You'll be giving salad.
बेस्ट खिचड़ी की थी ना
Okay, so merong cabbage.
थैंक यू
And this one is onion.
मानुस है
You eat the khichdi. So, kumuha ka lang ng kaunti. And then you just have to mix this one.
I will just mix everything.
Put everything.
इलेन
Ha? Take that. And then, you have to put the curry, right? Have this onion. So, salad yan. Nalalagyan nila ng lemon. This is Milan's way of eating it. And then salt. Like, I know you will need salt.
એવું લાગે ત્રણ છે તો થઈ રહેશે
We also have this kasumbar, cabbage salad.
This one is cabbage
With lemon,
with
dry,
lemon, dry, and
and
other turmeric
powder. We are here with Jano. Hi, Jano. Ayan. Jano, this is your first time eating.
નો
You like this food so much. So, let's go kain tayo. After mo kumain, bibigyan ka nila ng tubig na may kasamang lemon. And diyan ka maghuhugas ng kamay. And then, meron sila dito, mouth freshener. Milan, what is this? It's very big.
It's
Chicha.
turmeric seeds.
But it's
Tamarind seeds.
tamarind seeds. But it's very hard to eat, no? It's very karap.
Yes.
It's very hard.
They roast it.
They roast the tamarind seeds. And then you have to peel it off. And there will be seed inside.
Yes.
So, ganyan yung itsura niya, tamarind seed, guys. And there is
Not
this
tamarind, yes.
tamarind seeds. And there's this mouth freshener over here. So, can you see these colorful ones? Yan yung mga sweet sweet. And ito naman yung parang mga Valyari, ganyan. So, yan yung mouth freshener. So, after nilang ibigay ito, yung water, panghugas ng kamay, bibigyan kanila ng mouth freshener, pampabango ng hininga. So, ganyan siya. So, pinapakita ni Milen yung mga binamili namin. Ayan, yun yung mga luggage na binili namin. And pati yung mga clothes. So, merong maliit, merong malaki. So, dalawang malaki. And right over here, ayan, yung mga damit, pinakita na namin sa kanila. And, chinecheck talaga nila. And, gusto talaga na tagnan kung ano yung mga pinamili. And, yun na yung mga items na dadalhin namin sa Pilipinas.